Hi everyone, just a nice morning out here at Golden Harvest Park. This looks like a picnic spot. This is to the northern side of the lake. I just thought today I need some fresh air, some new scenery, less close up. So I thought I would take you for a little tour. And there on the other side of the lake is Northwold, that's 3rd Avenue. It's actually possible to cycle on the bank there. As you can see there, the bank is basically just wide enough for a cycling track. One should just be careful not to slip there. The noise of that bird is from an ibis. There are a lot of them around this area, actually, the whole city. There are also a white kind, the holy ibis. If we're lucky we can see them here next to the lake, but I haven't seen the holy ibis around this lake, but at another lake actually near a residential area. Okay, until later, thanks for watching.